Ito na nga. Okay. Just got home from work and Captain America Brave New World official trailer is here. Ooh, let's go. Wait. Okay.
Thanks for coming in. Thank you for the invite, sir. I have to admit, I'm still getting used to the new look. This is what's this?
New look.
Election. You and I haven't always agreed in the past, but I want to make another run at making Captain America an official military position. And if we disagree on how to manage this situation, then what happens?
Pasito.
Work with me, Sam.
Ay, puta yung ano. I see ya. But to assassinate the president. Barney Ross.
Sir, your inner circle's been compromised. Either you can't see that, or you don't want to.
Baki ba yun? Ay, hindi. Yung tropa niya.
Global power is shifting. You're just a pawn. You may be Captain America, but you're not Steve Rogers.
Well, yeah. Of course.
Right. I'm not.
What? Puta, sumusonic boom si Gago. Come on. Putang ina. Let's go. Uy. Lumabas, nagpakita. Ay, oh shit. Lumabas na may nagpakita. It is confirmed. Confirmed na sa, lalabas sila sa Thunderbolts, which is next year na yun. I guess. Kasi ito, ngayon yata ate. Ngayon. This year. Hindi ko nakita, wait lang. 2025 February. Well, next year nga ito mga to. Sa MCU movie lang talaga ngayon is Deadpool and Wolverine. Ooh, can't wait. I can't wait. Can't wait for this one. Although, yeah, next year pa. Deadpool, Wolverine muna tayo. That's it for me. Y'all know what to do. If you enjoy this one, make sure to hit the bell or the like button and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next round. Red Hook is in the MCU. Woo.